In this section, we will explain the commonly used shortcut keys and practical mouse operation tips in TESS NG in detail, helping you improve the efficiency of road network modeling and simulation operations. First, let's introduce the core shortcut operation commands of the software. Delete. Delete selected elements. Select the road network elements to be deleted and press the delete key to remove them directly. Click Undo. You can undo the previous action. Ctrl+ left click. Move selected elements. Select the road network elements or the entire road network to be moved. Hold Ctrl and drag to the target position with the left mouse button to complete the move. Ctrl+ right click, copy selected elements. Select the road network elements or the entire road network to be copied. Hold Ctrl and drag to the target position with the right mouse button to complete the copy. Ctrl+E, edit the selected object. After selecting any road network element, press this shortcut to quickly open the object's editing window. Frame. Right-click and drag to select an area in the road network. Select all elements within the area with one click and open the Select Network object pop-up automatically. All selected road network elements are displayed in the pop-up. Left-click an object in the pop-up to jump to its position in the road network quickly. Double-click an object in the pop-up to open its editing window directly. This method is useful for selecting elements that are difficult to click precisely in the road network, greatly improving selection efficiency. Ctrl+I, view object status information. After selecting vehicles, press this shortcut to view the real-time movement status information of the vehicle. You can view the status of the selected vehicle and the status of the vehicles in front, behind, front left, rear right, front right of it. Click Recalculate to recalculate the status of the current selected vehicle. If the simulation is running, click Refresh to update the real-time status of the vehicle. Next, we will explain 3 types of common mouse operation tips to improve the convenience of view operation and object editing. Mouse scrolling. Scroll the mouse wheel forward to zoom in on the view at the mouse pointer. Scroll it backward to zoom out the view at the mouse pointer. For precise adjustment of the viewing angle, click any position on the road network, and you can zoom in or out the view around this point. Mouse double-click. Double-click any element in the road network to quickly open its editing window, and directly view and edit its attribute parameters. Mouse selection and movement. When the corresponding function toolbar is active, you can directly select and drag objects such as traffic signals, data collectors, queue counters, travel time detectors, decision points, with the left mouse button.